Bathrooms can be the perfect spot for certain indoor plants, thanks to their natural humidity and often low to medium light conditions. Adding greenery here not only enhances the decor but also purifies the air. Many hardy plants thrive in such environments, creating a refreshing, spa-like atmosphere effortlessly. Let's take a quick look at the top indoor plants for bathroom. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum, is an excellent choice for brightening up a bathroom with its graceful arching leaves and cascading baby plantlets. It thrives in the warm, humid environment of bathrooms, making it a natural fit for this space. This hardy plant adapts well to varying light levels, though it prefers bright, indirect light. Its low-maintenance nature makes it perfect for busy households, requiring only occasional watering and basic care. Additionally, the spider plant is valued for its air-purifying properties, helping to create a fresher and healthier bathroom atmosphere. Simple yet elegant, it effortlessly enhances indoor decor with greenery. Boston fern, Nephrolepis exaltata, is a classic indoor plant admired for its lush, arching fronds that bring a touch of elegance and freshness to any space. Thriving in humid environments, it is especially suited for bathrooms where moisture helps maintain its vibrant green foliage. This fern prefers indirect light, making it perfect for areas without direct sun exposure. Regular misting or placing it near a shower can keep its fronds healthy and full. Beyond its beauty, the Boston fern also improves indoor air quality by filtering toxins, making it both decorative and beneficial for a healthier living space. Aloe vera, Aloe barbadensis Miller, is a striking, easy-care plant that doubles as a natural healer. Its fleshy leaves store soothing gel used for burns and skin care, making it both decorative and useful. In bathrooms with good sunlight, aloe vera thrives, as the humidity prevents the leaves from drying out. It prefers bright, indirect light and needs only occasional watering, since it stores moisture in its leaves. Its sculptural look adds a modern touch to bathroom decor, while its resilience makes it an ideal bathroom-friendly choice for those wanting a plant that is both beautiful and practical. Snake plant, Sansevieria trifasciata, is a tough, bathroom-friendly houseplant admired for its upright, sword-like leaves with striking green patterns. It thrives in low light and tolerates the humid conditions often found in bathrooms, making it one of the easiest plants to care for. This hardy plant requires minimal watering, as its thick leaves store moisture. Besides adding a bold, modern look to bathroom decor, the snake plant is also known for its air-purifying qualities, removing toxins and releasing oxygen at night. Its low maintenance needs and adaptability make it a perfect choice for brightening up bathroom spaces. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum, is a versatile trailing plant loved for its heart-shaped leaves that come in shades of green and gold. It flourishes in humid spaces, making bathrooms an excellent spot for its growth. Known for its ability to tolerate low light and irregular watering, pothos is a low-maintenance choice for busy plant lovers. Its cascading vines can be placed in hanging baskets, on shelves, or allowed to trail gracefully around mirrors, adding a touch of lush greenery. Apart from enhancing decor, pothos also helps purify the air, turning your bathroom into a fresher, more vibrant environment with minimal effort. Orchid, Phalaenopsis, is an elegant flowering plant that brings a touch of luxury and charm to indoor spaces. Its graceful arching stems with vibrant blooms thrive in warm, humid environments, making bathrooms a suitable home. Unlike many plants, orchids prefer bright, indirect light, so placing them near a bathroom window is ideal. Their long-lasting flowers add beauty for weeks, turning an ordinary washroom into a spa-like retreat. With minimal care, occasional watering and proper drainage, orchids remain healthy and striking. Their refined presence not only enhances decor but also creates a calming atmosphere, perfect for relaxation in a steamy bathroom setting. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamifolia, is one of the most resilient indoor plants, admired for its glossy, dark green leaves that add a modern touch to interiors. It adapts well to bathrooms, especially those with low light, as it can tolerate shaded corners without losing its vibrancy. The natural humidity of bathrooms supports its growth, while its drought-tolerant nature means it requires very little watering. With its upright structure and minimal care needs, the ZZ plant is perfect for adding greenery to washrooms. It also acts as an excellent air purifier, making the space not only stylish but also healthier. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema commutatum, is a hardy indoor plant celebrated for its striking leaves, which often feature a mix of green, silver, or red tones. It adapts beautifully to humid areas, making bathrooms an excellent spot for its growth. This plant thrives in low to medium light, so even windowless washrooms with artificial lighting can support it. With minimal watering needs and a strong tolerance for varied conditions, it is perfect for those who want greenery without the fuss. Its colorful foliage instantly brightens up small spaces, while also helping to improve air quality, creating a refreshing atmosphere indoors. Bird's nest fern, Asplenium nidus, is a tropical beauty admired for its large, wavy fronds that unfurl gracefully from a central rosette. Its lush, fresh green foliage brings a vibrant, natural touch to indoor spaces. This fern flourishes in steamy, humid environments, making bathrooms a natural choice for its placement. Preferring indirect light, it grows well in low to medium brightness, avoiding harsh sun that could scorch its delicate fronds. With regular misting or exposure to shower humidity, it maintains its glossy charm. Easy to care for and visually striking, it adds a refreshing, rainforest-like feel to bathroom decor. Cast iron plant, Aspidistra elacia, is well known for its toughness and ability to thrive in less than ideal conditions. With its deep green, glossy leaves, it adds a bold and timeless elegance to indoor spaces. True to its name, this plant can handle neglect, low light, and fluctuating humidity, making it especially suitable for bathrooms. It does not require frequent watering and can survive in shaded corners where many plants struggle. The cast iron plant's resilience, combined with its classic look, makes it a long-lasting choice that brings calm greenery and sophistication to washrooms with minimal effort and simple care. Lucky bamboo, Dracena sanderiana, is a graceful plant often associated with good fortune and positive energy. Its slender, upright stalks and lush green leaves make it a stylish addition to indoor spaces. Thriving in moisture-rich environments, it adapts well to bathrooms where humidity supports its growth. Lucky bamboo can be grown in water-filled containers with pebbles or in soil, making it versatile and easy to maintain. It prefers indirect light and occasional water changes to stay healthy. With its elegant form and symbolic meaning, it brings both charm and a sense of balance to modern bathroom decor effortlessly.